Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today in this video, we are going to start the first chapter of your GK book. So I request you all to take out your books. I hope you all are having your books now. Please take out page number 9 of your GK book. So let's start. The first chapter is Super Sleuths. Sleuth means to watch, to observe, or a detective who follows a trial. Detectives use clues to solve mysteries. You have to match each clue to its mysterious detective. Number 1. Agatha Christie created this Belgian detective whose most regular sidekick is Captain Arthur Hastings. The answer is D. Hercule Poirot. Hercule Poirot is a fictional Belgian detective created by Agatha Christie. Poirot is one of the most famous and long-running characters, appearing in 33 novels, 2 plays, and more than 50 short stories published between 1920 to 1975. Number 2. This teenage girl detective features in books written by multiple authors under pseudonym Caroline C. Keene. And the answer is A. Nancy Drew. Nancy Drew is a fictional character, a sleuth, in an American mystery series. Third, Arthur Conan Doyle created this character whose adventures are mostly narrated by John H. Watson. The answer is F. Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes is a fictional private detective. Fourth, Satyajit Ray created this detective who is assisted by his cousin Topse and friend Jatayu. The answer is B. Faluda. Faluda is a fictional Bengali private investigator starring in a series of Bengali novels. Fifth, Sharadendu Bandhopadhyay created this Bengali detective who prefers to be called Satyanbeshi. And the answer is C. Byomkesh Bakshi. Byomkesh Bakshi is an Indian Bengali fictional detective referring himself as Truth Seeker in the stories. The character has often been called the Indian version of Sherlock Holmes. Moving to the next. Sixth, publisher Edward Stratemeyer created these boy detectives. Answer is E. Frank and Joe Hardy, who are brothers living in Bayport. The Hardy Boys are fictional characters who appear in several mystery series for children and teens. Fact: Gilbert Chesterton, an English writer, created a fictional priest detective, Father Brown, who is assisted by an ex-criminal, M. Hercule Flambeau. So students, that's all for today. Please make sure you're doing your work on time and take care. Bye-bye.